प्रकार के त्योहार भी होते हैं। वन
Okay, so he's just trying to say there are four classification and there are four type of festivals. So
वन क्षत्रिय जो होता है उसके होते हैं दीपावली।
Okay, so there's one religion which is Kshatriya, and they celebrate one caste which celebrate Diwali. Second,
एंड वैश्य दीपावली और क्षत्रिय दशहरा।
okay, so Vaishnav people celebrate Diwali and Kshatri celebrate Dashera, which is festival of Ravan where they burn Ravan, the 9 faces Lord. If you remember. Kshatri.
पहला वाला है क्षत्रिय, क्षत्रिय का दशहरा।
नहीं, सबसे पहला मतलब वैष्णव कास्ट होता है।
सबसे पहला कास्ट कौन सा होता है?
पहला ब्राह्मण।
Okay, so there are like 4 types of Hindus in Hinduism, right? First is Brahman, which is the top upper class, right? Brahman. Second is Kshatriya, the one who participates in the war, right? Those are Kshatriya. Third is Vaishya. Vaishya is like somebody who's like more into the business, you know, business. Fourth is Shudra. Shudra is somebody who is like who does like janitors, you know, janitors like the one who cleans the home, sweepers and all. They are janitors. Like fourth, this one, yeah.
Fourth त्योहार।
Yeah. There are 4 festivals for all of us. The Brahman, the first upper class, they celebrate Diwali.
दिवाली से पहले
Shravani. Yeah, they celebrate Shravani and then Diwali.
क्षत्रिय दशहरा।
The one who participates in the war, the Kshatriya, they celebrate the Dashera. Dashera where they burn the Ravan. You remember? Do you know Ravan? Ravan?
9 faces.
Okay, so Lord Rama, you know Rama? Everybody knows Rama, right? So Rama killed Ravan. Ravan was an evil, right? So he killed Ravan. So the day when we celebrate his killing, that is the Dashera. So the people who are into the wars, the caste that belongs to the war, they celebrate the Dashera. दो है।
और तीसरा क्षत्रिय वैश्य का होगा दशहरा, वो दीपावली।
दिवाली तो पता होगी तुम
नहीं, दीपावली उसका है ना।
दिवाली
ब्राह्मण हो गया। सबका मिलजुल होकर इसकी वजह से 4 वर्ण होते ना जो, तो मिलजुल कर त्योहार मनाते हैं।
Okay, and then the other classes who celebrates the other festivals as well, right? And then Holi comes. Holi is the festival which is celebrated by almost every religion, every caste, right? So that is the significance of Holi.
But just in the
तो जानते क्यों है?
होली क्या हुआ था कि जब प्रहलाद जी का जन्म हुआ था, हिरण्यकश्यप द्वारा अनेक प्रकार के अपने पुत्र प्रहलाद की भक्ति उत्पन्न हुई थी। उसके पीछे हिरण्यकश्यप ने पुत्र से अपने बैर कर लिया ताकि वो भगवान को क्यों मानता, मुझे पूजे, अपना गॉड मुझे भगवान माने स्वयं। तो उन्होंने अनेक प्रकार के यत्न किए, प्रयत्न किए ताकि इसको मार दिया जाए, क्योंकि अगर एक व्यक्ति में बीमारी है तो सारे धीरे संसार में फैल जाएगा।
So there used to be a king called Hiranyakashipu, right? And he was like very evil, and he wanted everybody to worship him, right? Instead of the god. So the people they used to worship Lord Vishnu, Mahesha, and Brahma, right? But whoever was in his kingdomship, he made sure that everybody just worshipped him, not to the god, right? But his own son, when he born, he started worshipping Vishnu, right? And this thing he didn't like about his son, right? And that is why he tried a lot of attempt to kill his own son because he was not following his rules.
हिरण्यकश्यप की बहन थी होलिका।
So there was this like when he tried a lot of efforts and he couldn't succeed to kill his son, right? Then he invited his sister Holika, right, to kill his son.
इसके बाद उसने होलिका आई, उसने सोचा कि प्रहलाद जी को मैं मार दूंगा, क्योंकि उसको ब्रह्मा जी से वरदान प्राप्त था। बोल।
Yeah. Okay. Then Holika came, but she was blessed with a boon that she will never be burned. Nobody can burn her. Like she can
kill her.
Burn. Yeah. She cannot be burned, right? So she had like a blessing or like आगे
ब्रह्मा जी से वरदान प्राप्त हुआ था
So it was
उसके बाद
received
चादर-
by the Lord Brahma, like the topmost god of our in Hinduism. He gave her these blessings. Yeah.
इंदा चादर का वरदान प्राप्त था।
Sorry.
चद्दर ऊपर से।
She has to
होलिका।
like put in a blanket. When
Okay.
if she puts the blanket, she can never be burned.
Okay. Perfect. Okay.
इसके बाद वो चद्दर का प्राप्त था, तो उसने कहा मैं मार दूंगी इसको। उसने क्या किया, लकड़ियों का आदि वगैरह से बनाया, चिता बनाई और उसमें जाकर अपने प्रहलाद को लेकर गोद में बैठ गई। लेकिन क्या हुआ, जब आग लगाई गई तो होलिका के प्रति अपने मातृत्व भाव जागा, मतलब कि मैं एक स्त्री होकर अपने पुत्र को, भतीजे नाम को, बेटों को मार रही हूँ, वो मेरे सब पर पुत्र समान है। उन्होंने जब इस प्रकार से भावना आई मन में, तो अपना जो उत्तरीय वस्त्र था ना, उतार कर प्रहलाद को उड़ा दिया और अपना स्वयं जलकर राख हो गया।
Perfect. Okay, perfect. Good. So then Holika, because I mean the Hiranyakashyap, he had already attempted like a lot of plans to kill his son, but every time he was blessed with the god Vishnu, then he escaped very easily. But this time he called his sister Holika because she was like she had like blessing with the god that she cannot be burned, right? So he invited her. And then because to kill her nephew, she came and then they like put some like woods in the in a certain place, and then she went and sit over the woods, right? She had also a blessing that she has to wear a blanket. If she will not wear the blanket, she will be died. So she has to wear the blanket in order to save herself from the killing or to be burned, right? Then Lord has a power to in our minds, like we say in Hinduism that even a leaf cannot move without the permission of the god, right? So believe this is how we believe it. So the god, they planned something so that Vishnu planned something so that Prahlad, the guy like the innocent children, he can be saved, right? So they put some thoughts of motherhood in herself, in her mind, right? And when they burned the fire, right, she got those thoughts and she had like a feeling of motherhood, and she realized that this is her nephew, right? And how can a girl or a mother can kill her nephew, right? To save her son, like this guy, she removed her blanket and she put on the children. That's how Prahlad escaped once again and Holika burnt there. So this is the reason why do we celebrate Holika, right?
So today is we are arranging this wood
Fire.
and fire.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today we are
Bonfire.
going to see the fire
Bonfire.
and it is celebrated just for these things. It is a celebration where we say that क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा टाइप अच्छा है क्या? right?
Victory over
Victory
Victory
over
of goods
evil.
over evil.
Yeah.
Victory of goods over evil.
Perfect. So this is the day that why do we celebrate?
So
right?
tomorrow is-
And then tomorrow we play brotherhood. Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So tomorrow is Holi, and today what it's called is Holika Dahan. So today was the day when her nephew was saved and she got burned. So Dahan means like you are sacrificing. So today is Holika Dahan. So in our surroundings, like people, like 4 or 5 houses, they combine together. They lit the fire just to make sure that the same thing is replicated,
Yeah.
and it will happen in the night. So that Holika Dahan will be today evening, and tomorrow is proper Holi.
Yeah.
That's it.
और कुछ भाई कल का कुछ?
कल का क्या है कि जो फर्स्ट दिन होता है, जिस दिन होलिका दहन होता है, उस दिन तो सुबह टाइम फर्स्ट टाइम पे तो अनेक प्रकार का उत्पाद करते हैं, पानी वाली वगैरह डालते हैं। दूसरी टाइम से फर्स्ट कलर आदि डालते हैं, क्योंकि उन भक्तों ने क्या किया था, जो राख थी ना, वो सब एक दूसरे में डालने लगे।
धुलवड़,
हाँ।
right?
उसके बाद में
उसके बाद में भगवान ने आगे वरदान दिया कि आज के दिन ही होली जलेगी और इसके बाद खेली जाएगी, सभी वर्णों में मेल जोल होगा।
बताओ। मैं तो बता दूं।
Okay, so after the bonfire, the next day it was all settled down, and people started using the same ashes and they started throwing on other people. So that's how it became the tradition. So then the God gave the blessings and instructed people that from now onwards you all can play Holi and you can mingle along with each other. And
The tradition is like from last 5,000 years,
Yeah.
more than 5,000 years.
Yeah. So on Holi, so all the caste comes together, no matter from which gender, caste, religion, creed, or creed are they? right? They come together to celebrate Holi. So in Vrindavan you will see, like you must have experience so far that the people they will just come and they will color on you, right? So this is a part of that celebration, right? So yeah. Also you will be seeing, like, because I mean a few of us are white and the rest of them are brown, so a lot of people will say Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe means a greeting, right? Like in Delhi or like in the cities we say hello, ciao, hala, whatever, right? In Vrindavan we say Radhe Radhe, right? So when the people bypass us are saying Radhe Radhe, if they say just in one sentence Radhe, so you have to reply Radhe. If they say Radhe Radhe, then you have to say Radhe Radhe. Perfect. Cool?
Radhe, Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. Right?
So I've been here for 1 week celebrating.
Yeah.
So this is day number 7 here. March 9th, 2020.
Yeah.
Yes. The other guy from Chennai told us that the Holi isn't celebrated in the south. It's just here in the north.
No, it is celebrated in India, in Nepal, and some part of Bangladesh.
Yeah, in Pakistan also.
And rest of the part, like wherever the Hindus are living, they celebrate it. Everywhere.
Yeah.
Even-
This is like the,
You know
there's
Nick
main
Jones? Nick
areas
Jones?
that craziness goes on like this. Yeah.
Nick Jones.
The relationship
Jonas.
is very low.
Nick Jonas.
He's playing Holi in US.
So I hope that all that got recorded.
There are 4 celebrations. In which of them
No.
we took place? We were participating just now.
Today.
Kya question? I'm sorry.